Hi guys, today we're going to learn short U sound.
So Liam, what is the sound for short U?
Ah.
Ah. Like umbrella.
Umbrella.
Under.
Under.
So you're going to blend the sounds.
Ba.
B.
Ba.
Ba.
B. D. Bad.
Ba. D.
Bad.
Bat.
Ba. G. Bag. Ba. N. Ban. Ba. T. Bat. Ba. S. Bath. Ra. Ra. B. Rub. Ra. G. Rug. Ra. N. Run.
Okay, next.
Ka.
Okay.
Cab. Cab. Cad. Cad. Cat. Cat. Cap. Cap.
Okay, next. Down.
Ha.
Ha.
Hug. Hug.
Okay.
Hab. Hab.
Okay.
Hat. Hat. Some.
Okay.
Sun. Mad.
Okay.
Mag.
Okay.
Fun.
Very good.
Tab.
G.
Gum.
Ga.
Gun.
Okay.
None.
Okay.
Nut.
Okay.
Jug.
Okay. Read again.
Okay. Bad. Bug. Bun. Bat. Bus. Rub. Rug. Run. Cub. Cud. Cat. Cup. Hug. Hub. Hat.
Okay, next.
Sun.
Some.
Mud. Mug. Fun. Tab. Gum. Gun. None. Nut. Jug. Now let's practice reading. The bug is on the bed.
What do you mean by bug? Bug is an insect.
Yes.
What about bad?
It's a bad person.
No, it's not a bad person. That is bud. A flower that is not yet totally open. It is a bud.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
Can you read again?
The bug is on the bag.
So where is the bag?
Is on the,
On the
bed.
bud. Next.
The nun is in the hat.
What do you mean by none?
Nothing.
No, it's not nothing. This is a sister. There's a priest and a nun.
Oh.
You don't know yet maybe. Then what is a hat? A small
A
house.
small house.
Okay, can you read again?
The nun is in the hat.
Where is the nun?
Is in the hat.
Okay, next.
The pup is on the rug.
What do you mean by pup?
A dog.
A small dog.
Dog. On a rug.
What do you mean by rug?
It's a mat.
Okay.
She has a bun.
What do you mean by bun? It's a bread.
Bread.
Yeah. Okay, next.
I
Can.
run.
Very good.
The bug is on the mud.
Where's the bag again? Where's the bag?
On the mud.
On the there.
Mud.
Mud.
That is my mug.
What do you mean by mug?
I don't know.
It's a cup.
Oh. Do you have a cup?
Okay, very good. Now can you read again faster?
The bug is on the bed.
Okay, next.
The nun is in the hat.
Okay, very good.
The pup is on the rug.
Okay.
She has a bun.
Okay,
I can run.
very good.
The bug is on the mud.
Okay.
That is my mug. Do you have a cup?
Do you have a cup? Okay, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.